Hello students, this is Shantanu sir and this is a revision class 2 and today we will discuss about some circles problem. So we know if the radius of any circle r, then the diameter will be 2r. So if our radius is given, then the diameter will be found by multiply by 2. So just try to find the diameter of 4.8 centimeter. Find the diameter. So diameter will be 2 into, easily just multiply 2 with this number, 4.8. So it will be 9.6 centimeter. Understood everyone? In similar way, just try to find the diameter of 5 meter and just try to find the diameter of 3.7 centimeter. This is your homework. Now try to find the radius of any circle if the diameter is given. So think that the diameter is given and it's 8 centimeter. Just tell me what is the radius of this circle, and it will be, just divide this diameter by 2. So we will get easily 8 by 2. So that's mean 4 centimeter. Okay. So again try to solve another problem. If the diameter is given and it's 5 meter, now try to find the diameter radius of this circle. So it will be 5 by 2. That's mean 2.5 meter. So now try to solve some problem at your home. So just try to solve problem number 3, 4.6 centimeter, and problem number 4, 90 centimeter. This is your homework. Now try to find the circumference of a circle whose diameter is given. So if the radius of any circle is r centimeter or meter or r units, then the circumference will be is equal to 2 pi r. Understood everyone? So just use this formula for finding circumference. So now try to solve some problem. If the radius is 7 by 22 centimeter, try to find the circumference. And we know the formula of circumference equal to 2 pi r, and the value of pi will be 22 by 7. So put here 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R means 7 by 2, 22. So 22, 7 cancelling out. So 2 is our final answer. Understood everyone? In the similar way, now try to find the circumference whose radius is given and it's 6 centimeter. So here is radius given and it's 6 centimeter. So just try to find circumference, and circumference will be 2 pi r. That's mean 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R means 6. So it will be 2 into 22, that's mean 44. 44 into 6 by 7, that's mean 4 6 are 24, carry 2, 4 6 are 26 by 7, that's mean it will be 37.68. 37.68. This is our answer. Okay. Now in similar way, just try to find the diameter and radius of a circle with circumference is given. So the circumference is given here. Circumference equal to 6.28 centimeter. So you have to find the diameter and radius. So what is the formula of finding diameter and radius? So diameter equal to, we know, circumference by 3.14 or pi, anything you can write here. So circumference means 6.28 and the value of pi is 3.14. Now just cancelling out here, point cancelling out, and 314 2s are 628. So the diameter will be 2. Now we have to find the radius. If the diameter is 2, then just tell me what is the radius of this circle. Always radius equal to diameter by 2. So 2 by 2, that's mean 1. So radius equal to 1 centimeter and diameter equal to 2 centimeter. This is our final answer. Understood everyone? So now your homework is just try to find the radius and diameter. Question number 1, 4.4. Question number 2, 6.6. Question number 3, 3.14. This is your homework. So try to find all the diameter and radius of this problem. Okay, bye everyone.